When Amanda and Griff first spied this 3,300 square foot house not far from the center of town, they thought they'd found their forever home.
This is the only house that Griff and I have ever lived in together. We've been here for 20 years.
I love this house because we're less than 12 minutes just about anything that we would need, and yet we still feel like we're in the country.
Yeah, Griff has done a great job with this house.
You know, I probably have a lot more vested physically in this property than Amanda does. We did the kitchen. We added a large screened-in porch. We've done a lot to the landscape. I added a water feature a couple years back.
I loved this house when it was just the two of us. And it seemed huge. I could never imagine filling these rooms. And then we had kids, and that all changed. My living room has become my office. I'm supposed to be writing books, and I don't have any space to do that. It's a mess. Completely cluttered, it's distracting. My husband uses the computer at my desk, the kids use it. It's just not a space that's conducive to working.
But is that any reason to move? We can fix that.
Show me. Women have got to do their hair, they've got to do their makeup. And so now you've got two girls every morning trying to share the really tiny bathroom. There's a lot of arguing.
I'm brushing my teeth.
Because there's not enough space in that bathroom for both of them to get ready. And that's why they always end up in our bathroom. That's
There's
why
a
we
lot
have
of
no
women in our
privacy.
house.
You're outnumbered.
I'm outnumbered.
The bathroom downstairs is embarrassing. It's really dated. It's hard to ask people to use that bathroom.
So, all you gotta do is fix the bathrooms and you'd be happy?
That's not what I said.
And we would stay?
That's not what I said.
Nice floors.
Gorgeous floors. And then you have a
This
disaster.
amazing living room. It is not a disaster.
Come on. It's like an obstacle course. Look at this. You can barely get to the other side. Round. If you do that, you're safe.
I'll do my best. Wow. Oh, this is terrible.
I expected it to be a little more cluttered.
And isn't that nice to have that view out into the forest? And then there's this view. That's gorgeous, too.
I'm gonna guess this is the teen bathroom.
Right. Let's move on.
What do they want?
I have no idea. All I know is, as far as I can see, this is a great bedroom.
Master bedroom's over there.
Yep. Oh, good. Again, this is lovely.
I have to just think that they want more.
Well, they obviously do want more.
Everywhere.
Does this all seem deja vu to you?
Oh, stop it already.
And a dressing area.
And this needs a serious update.
It's a little bit tired looking, I agree.
Yeah.
This is the meeting room.
Apparently, this is the meeting room.
It's not a big challenge.
No, even you could handle this.
Very funny.
All right, let's go see the basement. No, I can't.
Oh, this is nice.
Teen hangout space.
Laundry and a freezer. This is so nice.
What else we got?
I don't know,
Nice
what's
teen
here?
hangouts, got some storage over there.
Okay, you know what? It's a basement bathroom.
I didn't say anything.
You didn't have to say anything.
So, Hilary and I have been through your house. To me, there's not a lot of issues.
I think that what we need is something newer, something modern.
I'm very curious as to what you want from me.
Well, here we go. 4 bathrooms, including a large master bathroom, modern kitchen, a home office space. We got kids, gotta have a teen rec space, a screened-in porch, a large yard, a garage, within 15 minutes of downtown.
I've done an evaluation on your house, and the current value is $437,000. Obviously, I need a budget. What is it?
600,000.
All right.
Okay, my turn. This house, I think, has extraordinarily beautiful space, but clearly it doesn't work for you, so tell me what you're hoping I can give you to make this work.
So we need to expand and update the master bathroom. We need to create a larger master bedroom closet. Expand and update the teen bathroom. Enlarge my daughter's closets. Update the basement bathroom. Create a home office for me. Put in hardwood floors in the bedroom wing. That's it.
It's a big list.
What I need to know from you is what your budget is.
Well, I don't think we've really come to terms on a budget.
I'm prepared to pay for an extension or an addition to take care of all our problems.
I think that's a lot of money. And putting too much money into this house.
Into a house you might sell.
Right. I think we put just enough in to sell it.
I think before you make this decision and you rule it out, I should get some pricing for you.
Okay.
No matter which way you decide to go, extension, not extension, when I'm done, you're gonna love it.
David is out the door in search of the spacious modern house that can make Griff cut his decades-long ties to home. But for Hilary, with the homeowners completely divided over the size and scope of the renovation they need, it's up to her and contractor Eric to run the numbers and come up with a plan that both homeowners can swallow.
Basically, I want to come out to pretty much where that screened-in porch ends, right? Build out that far, all the way across, square it off over here. Here's what I can get. Massive master, massive walk-in closet, massive bathroom, increased size of the girls' bedrooms, increased size of the girls' bathrooms. I want to create an incredible office for Amanda. So what do you think?
Well, it all starts down at the bottom because that slab's not going to be able to hold 2 stories.
Right.
So I'm gonna have to rip that slab out and put in the proper thickness slab.
Yeah.
You had to guess it's somewhere about 15 feet by 30 feet. You're around 150,000.
So, how do you feel about what you're seeing so far?
I like it.
Very attractive.
See?
Beautiful.
Told you.
Well, then let's go see the house.
At 4,000 square feet, this house is built for family function and features 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a spacious master bath. Fulfilling Amanda's dreams of airy, updated spaces are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, separate living and dining rooms, second floor laundry, and a teen space, all just a few minutes away from their current house.
Okay. This is your, formal living room, dining room.
This is a nice, sunny entrance.
You've got this. You've got an eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
Oh, I love this kitchen. It's very open.
Yeah.
I really like how you can look out the window and look right into your neighboring house over there.
You waving at the neighbor? Okay, okay.
This house is listed at 610.
Let me be honest, I am not happy about the lack of space back there.
Right. Is it okay for us to go further out?
We will consider it.
So since our last meeting, as I promised, I've come up with a plan. So to give you that full extension out there that's going to change this house and make it absolutely fabulous, it's going to cost, I'm ballparking at $150,000.
There's no way, Hilary. That is so much money.
$150,000, you get everything you want? Come on, Mandy.
I'm not comfortable with it. I'm just not.
Okay, I have a plan B. On this level, this whole area that we're standing on, I'm going to turn into inside space, which allows me to take a very big portion of the existing rec room for you to have an amazing office. Yeah, it's coming in at pretty much $100,000.
I've got no problem with it.
Well, I just still don't see it. It's still going to have a wow factor.
It's going to have a huge wow factor.
Again, I just think $100,000 is still a whole lot of money to put into this house.
I mean, what did you think was a reasonable amount of money to spend in this house? You would have said how
75? Great. I don't know.
It's $100,000. I got no problem with it. Get you everything you want.
Okay, 100,000. That's it. Not a penny more. We good?
Sure.
Let's get out of here.
Thank you, Hilary.
While 20 years of history is reinvented at home, over a half an hour away, David is hoping this latest listing holds the future for this family.
Here we are.
Here we are. I had to leave yesterday in time to get here today.
It is a little far, David.
Do you honestly think I would take you this far out if I didn't have to?
Keep an open mind.
While it may be quite a ways outside their current neighborhood, at 3,600 square feet, this house is undeniably larger than theirs and features 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Upping the family function are an open concept kitchen and family room, a secondary family space, and a roomy office for Amanda, all backing onto a gorgeous lakefront yard.
What do you think?
It's a nice big space. There's a lot of light.
Feels good.
And then you have this.
It's very open.
And right here, you really see the difference between yours and this
A lot of space, really nice.
This is
A lot
great.
of light,
This
a lot
is
of
great.
light. Do I detect some positive notes here, David? What do you think?
I do.
We're swaying him.
Birdie.
So then you flow into a potential sitting area.
This is a big
Yeah,
space.
this is
Agreed?
a very nice space right here.
Let's go look at the master bedroom. What do you think?
Fireplace.
Fireplace in
Yeah.
the bedroom.
It's pretty.
Let's go look at the closet space.
Wow.
It's nice.
You're speechless. He's speechless.
This sucks.
Come on.
I know why.
There's no tub.
I think there's enough room to put a tub in here.
This house is listed at $590,000.
It's way, way out of where we wanted to be.
I agreed.
Okay. You can't tell me you don't love this.
Wow.
Let's don't go overboard here. The location, I feel like I'm in another country. David's gonna have to bring it up to the plate if he's, you know, to catch my attention. No screened-in porch.
That's true. And I think the screened-in porch is pretty important to us. Way too much money.
Amanda may be the boss, but I somehow have to convince her that our home is where her heart is.
Hilary's team pushes forward, and as the stunning new hardwood is installed upstairs, downstairs, Hilary and design assistant Jenny work on many ways to bring color to the brand new bonus room.
All right, closer to downtown.
And it's a
Right?
beautiful setting.
I think David brought it this time.
Can't wait to see the inside.
At 3,900 square feet, this move-in ready house has space to spare and features 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a beautiful master bath. Putting this home over the top are an open concept kitchen and family room, a separate dining room, a teen hangout space complete with a bathroom, and an expansive pond-ready lot, all just 15 minutes from downtown.
Wow, this is a nice entrance.
Ooh, very nice.
All right, we're heading right this way.
Okay.
Amanda, this is going to be your office space, the kitchen.
Great.
Obviously an important area, a little more modern than some of the other houses that we've
Yes.
seen. It's very open. You see the backyard, lots of natural light.
Our kitchen really is not the issue.
But if there's an upgrade, then you just want to keep it in mind when you're weighing both houses and which ones.
Exactly.
With visions of that house still fresh in their minds, Amanda and Griff head home to see their own house now that Hilary's contentious renovations are finally complete.
I like the sliding door.
Yeah.
Safe space.
Oh my gosh.
Going in.
Wow. I can't believe this is the same room.
Wow.
I'm floored. It's like you somehow took this space and magically made it feel so much bigger. I don't know how you did it.
Your master bedroom, which is
Wow.
so lovely. First thing that you'll probably notice here is that your wood floors continue.
This looks amazing.
Oh my God.
The key to this was creating a space that would deal with closet space
Right.
and the bathroom. You're about to see exactly what it ended up like.
I cannot believe this is our bathroom.
Oh my God.
This is gorgeous. Look at this tub. How cool is that?
That is the centerpiece
It is.
of this bathroom because this is where you hold court. You've both got your own sink.
It's very serene.
Madame.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You can actually come in here and actually see what you
Where
have,
everything is, like the
where it
shoes.
is. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It was lucky that we had that extra space that was outside and that we could incorporate into the inside, which gave us what we needed, which was huge amount of natural light again, which is so important.
Right. It's a
It's a
beautiful
really
area. It's a very
multifunctional, inviting
comfortable.
area.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Hey, a room of your own.
I think she likes it, Hilary.
I think I like it. Yeah.
It's a decision for you guys to make. Before you make that decision, I have one more listing to show you, and it's yours. That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Wow.
Really?
The pre-renovation value of their home was $437,000. With a renovation budget of $100,000, the new estimated value of their home is $570,000. That increases the value of their house by $133,000.
That would give us more money left over to put on that screened-in porch?
Absolutely. Okay, so, decision made?
Yes, we've made a decision.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We've decided to love it.
Griff, the 3-car garage. Come on, that's worth
Never
moving
mind.
for.
Who needs it? Who needs it? Who needs it?
I think what it came down to is this house had so much potential, but we couldn't see it, or at least I couldn't see it. And Hilary, you showed us what this house can be. And it came down to heart. It's just too hard to walk away from.
I am so pleased.
Listen, it was a pleasure working with you.